Hey there, automotive enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into Ford's latest offering, the 2025 Tourneo. After a 35-year hiatus from the people mover scene, Ford's back with a bang, and they're not pulling any punches. Let's start with the basics. The Tourneo is essentially a transit custom van that's been given the VIP treatment. It comes in two flavors: the Active, starting at $65,990, and the Titanium X, topping out at $70,000 before on-roads. Both pack a 2-liter turbo diesel engine, churning out 168 horses and 288 pound-feet of torque. That power hits the front wheels through an 8-speed autobox. But how does it drive? Well, it's decent for what it is, a van in a tuxedo. It's not going to set your hair on fire with excitement, but it gets the job done. The diesel engine's got enough grunt, but it's a bit thirsty. We saw between 22 and 20.5 miles per gallon in our tests. And yeah, you'll hear that diesel chugging along, especially on the highway. Now let's step inside, because this is where the Tourneo really shines. Ford's gone all out with a flexible seating system that would make a Rubik's Cube jealous. The second and third rows slide, fold, and even face backward. It's like automotive yoga in here. And if you splash out for the Titanium X, you get a panoramic roof that's so big, you might need sunscreen. Tech-wise, Ford's not messing around. You've got a 13-inch touchscreen running Sync 4, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 7-inch digital cluster. It's even got 5G and over-the-air updates. Welcome to the future, folks. Safety-wise, Ford's thrown in the kitchen sink. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and AEB that can spot cross-traffic. It's likely to snag a 4-star Euro rating, which isn't too shabby. Maintenance is every year or 18,600 miles, whichever comes first. 5 years of servicing will set you back $3,695, a bit more than the Kia Carnival, its main rival. So what's the verdict? The Tourneo's a solid comeback for Ford in the people mover game. It's got space and flexibility in spades, and enough tech to keep the geeks happy. But it's still a van at heart, so don't expect it to drive like a sports car. If you've got a big family and need something that can handle everything from soccer practice to road trips, the Tourneo's worth a look. It might not be as refined as the Carnival, but it's got character, and sometimes that's what counts. That's it for our look at the 2025 Ford Tourneo. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep those wheels turning. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.